section and keep that warmth there, but I am making sure to use some pressure and get that strip in place. I'm going to have pressure at the start of my section. I'm going to remove the wax opposite the direction of growth, opposite the direction I applied, and counter pressure immediately after. Fold your paper and remove any sticky component here. Now, soft wax can only be applied one time per area, so the center is done. I'm going to grab more wax here on a new stick, wipe the back off, and come over to the bottom of one brow. Lay the wax about 1/8 inch away from the brow, and then come in and detail it closer. When I lay my strip on, I'm going to hold this skin tight. I'm going to lay the strip right at the start of the wax, not all the way over covering the entire brow. Pressure at the start of your section. Pull just over the body, not into the air. Opposite direction of hair growth. Flip your paper over and get rid of the sticky component on the skin. I'm going to grab a new stick, new wax, dip in and wipe the back off. And I'm going to come right in to the top. I'm laying 1/8 inch away, spreading the majority of that product, and then coming into detail. Now again, I'm going to lay this strip right at the start of my wax. When I have soft wax, you're meant to have a very thin application, but if I lay my strip right on top, once I press down, it's going to spread and I have no control over where that product moves to. And so by laying it right next to the brow and then pressing, I can make sure that my product is not spreading anywhere I don't want it to go. Complete one brow and then move to the second so that I can keep them uniform. I'm going to hold this skin tight, lay this strip right at the edge of my wax. pressure at the start of my section and rip over the body, not up into the air. Flip that strip over and remove any sticky component from the skin. Dip into my wax with a new stick, wipe the back off, and come on over for my last section here. When I have more product on the applicator, I stay away, a little bit away from the brow, and then as I've spread it, I come in with less product to detail. I like to come all the way out here. We tend to have a lot of vellus hair out at this corner. Right at the edge of the brow. Laying my wax with the direction of hair growth, pulling my strip opposite direction of hair growth. And again, because I used soft wax here, because I used soft wax, I can only apply the wax one time over each area. So I am complete with wax. Now I'm going to finish with my oil. And see if there's anything left that I need to tweeze. The oil has multiple purposes after wax. It's removing the markings that we did before waxing. It's removing any sticky feeling that's left on the skin. It is balancing the pH. It's hydrating and calming. Now I see just a few that I want to tweeze. I'm going to show you a correct tweezing procedure. I'm going to hold the skin as tight as I can. I'm going to lay my tweezer with the follicle, and I'm going to pull with the follicle. So I'm not here plucking into the air like that. I am flat with the skin, tweezing this right out, following the follicle and the growth. Holding the skin tight here and pulling with the follicle helps it to be